on that, like the forward ole mange le mai ro ka ko kananga because ole vai gaming game o foi ko vai game mong samo o ko kele foi ala mafanga unha feolingi e pela nga ia la fionga ia e lo pote officer China Tonu. You know, I'm very happy that you're there now for the Tour Samoa players, which predominantly all of them are from overseas.
Oh, absolutely.
Amo ia ala mafanga that had to transition from New Zealand, Australia to Samoa. They would have found it a bit hard to adjust.
Difficult, very hard.
Because I video, I think it was like last year or the year before. Kamalo Joseph Swati.
Yeah.
Like if I see Vangai or Buckingham, is he the first Manu Samoa to have tea with King Charles?
Yeah. Yeah. Pero makaudia ko nila po sa umuwin kapag ng paso. Lawat. Ikaw nila pingi. So ano na balik kung for fucking balance po eu aí começou a com vendo aí pior ka o mele o powerful you mele o do ka me kid mela uma maya your heritage me pero com esse ka o ano o que nessa 100% bem ale eu não me que ele vai pouco kan mo no sa me né pero ngano mela o ese meu o fa maka kan wa ga no ono wala winga lo ko mo sa mo ka ti mo si me eu kam follow my ko e alo fa mai da fa ile nga wenga mo o le me la de o vengi lo isten bang no o pepe on sa esa mo fu yuso it ka ko ngu is ka ko ngu no other country in the world give si los Australia and Pekania they don't have what we have it may not ever. So for ever. You know, when you bang, what do you say is come from the heart? That's straight. You know, I'm telling you about if I may, this one got to do on a film. You know, man me fa penga. You know, it's come from the heart. So you know, like paper on fire. Ele mas il running self don ka de va feroi pe o si me ka nga le fa ma fa ka ko tau si de va tau si de va ka ke o for yo tau si de va that mean nature cap nature cap you tau si ka va you know as a player you for no malai you need to tell see that bad that nature that cap if I pick him a mouth if I pay it kaku now it's too far so you need to nature that cap tell see the va
okay mo ko ai sala po senga le mga ko le fekalenga Tuilagi because in New Zealand in Marco ngadwenga there's a gap between the New Zealand-born Samoans and the Samoans from Samoa. Because oise ke mi e fefefe nei kako alo whangau ngi. E oku mele whakasi me kama Samoa. They're afraid of being mocked.
That's it.
They're afraid of being, you know, growled off.
Yeah.
But we need to also understand, ese voi lako upbringing, lako.
Yeah, that's right.
Ako ngolo whafsiri le lau karama kula I le fionga e Eiropotea. You know, amongst him and other New Zealand-born players that played in the Manu, what was your transition like for the coming from New Zealand to Manu Samoa?
It's just like what's happening now. I used to love listening to the stories because I could understand.
Yeah,
I could understand. Yeah, you know, the first Samoa was hard to come back and be part of it, but you're always laughing, and I think because they made us feel comfortable.
Yeah.
And I always say the bus, because the bus plays a big part in any rugby team. Because you know your place in the bus, where you're in the back seat with Fats, or in the front with me and Alama when we first started, and then all the the Alala Tours and the Seals, you know, those are those names are the lieutenants, Andy in the back, and you know, it was a wonderful time, and you knew your place. And then they'd invite you to come back, but it wasn't too. Sometimes it was hard because sometimes the jokes are very tough on us. Sometimes they'll get too mean. Sometimes, but our language was always on the rugby field.
Yeah,
and that's where I earned my respect with the boys, and then we got to know each other better. And that's why I think that with Lauaki there, he understands it, because we're us as reserves. We have to fight a little bit harder than the starting team, because we're holding the tackle bags. We don't get many opportunities to get on the field, so we have to do other things like run around, do the sealer, hold the tackle bags, help the physio, get all the stuff on the bus first,
carry everything,
and then as soon as we get our chance, because we're doing everything, then we take our chance. You know, it might come, it might not come, but we're on the bus.
Yeah,
you know, and I'm like you. I was just proud to be on the bus.
Yeah,
I more the other more take it.
Oh yeah,
take it. Just take it. So, and that was that's the only way that you can really earn your respect amongst the peers, and that's a sport thing, not so much a culture thing. But if you have to open your heart and embrace it, if you pull back a bit. You know, like the VAR that you're saying, it's going to be too hard. Yeah, you know, it's too hard. If you're there, but we do it like this over here, then it's going to be too difficult. It's best that you go and try something else. Yeah. But if you have open heart to come in, yes, you make mistakes, but they look after you. Yeah, that's the boys. The back seat looked after us, so that was really good.
Mà coi phút ina mi đó là bạn từng sống với là Lauaki lo vat của mình chơi thì ole chi mà mẹ cô nghe ito sa mo man mong sa mo mo si au la masamo pon den pon ba le ba kapuia makama kong lo ai pon men nga ke carrying me kong lo au me vula te sa mo che je de we va fo me lu se la Lauaki las va ma ai kama makua la uso fo mo la like I respect for you la uso like kama ko au me kong mana se selmang off the field is silly. Bila nga tengo pa ako ngofo ko fulvum kala ngofo kakale. O siklo ko ngof. Chega fa ka misi ka ilo ko. Eu fui ka ko feel ka ko shin. No one ko ka kale
And he was 19.
19 and then keep getting hai pego ka mona il cap planet. Ya vergi o lis ka ka mga isvi au so fa yem melo preacher le cap le. Kalau dia kena walk corona lah New Zealand pun dia makan mai for very much better. Dia makan dia makan fau ka koloi Samoa. Oleh awak Samoa lu si awak. Afrik. Makan ngau penga. Ona mela wanga mako wa kau yin. Ila ona ngadu sa fai ngi mako. Oleh priest le cap ka via. Pes kasi vai koloi Samoa pole ala Samoa. Nga makarunga mo me kong meuna. Ka mo walo. Ili ko manuel wen mang sa mo isa hawo kasi leo sa never na mo li kele ko fa ka yu so yana wen o sa ni por ka o ki le dia mo ki il ka ko mang sa mo me o le mo so ka inga le man me le vale il loko mal fa ko mo sa ko mixa me even no fa po so anti well ko keno le majority 90% o ko kamoika ko fanga u olum fanga u ya ko u fa so afa pe fu la me ko everyone's have their own journey. Yes, so you got to nurture that journey as well. Be part of. You can't force. Whatever you want to be. You can make it. So we need to nurture that.